Abantu aba bamathile abantu aba nibabona la. They are not good. They are bad.
I was good. Mandela was not my friend. Belungu was my friend.
Wow, but English is fooling you.
Yes. Yeah, I know it.
You know English? Okay. So, xelela abantu kuba ungubani igama lakho. Nazoqala baxelele nami. Hey guys, my name is Awonke Palamo. I am 18 years old. I am 18 years old. I learn at University of Johannesburg.
My name is Yongama. My surname is Palamo. I am a boy. I am 8 years old. I am Elena Sidanga Primary School.
Yeah, which grade?
My grade was grade 3.
Now we are past 2.
Yes.
Oh, you are past grade 3. Yes. Oh, then.
My surname.
Hisha. My name.
My name is Kamva. My surname Balamo. My class teacher is missing glasses.
Oh.
My class teacher is Shays.
Okay, so my nickname is Scora.
Yeah.
So now
I don't see.
So my nickname is Scora. Your nickname?
My nickname is Yongama.
Ay, Yongama is your real name. Your nickname is?
My nickname is Mayoyo.
Or what? Or
and I not my kappa was not Muga.
Okay, what is your nickname?
His nickname is Mafuta.
Mafuta!
I'm not Mafuta.